Hello everyone. This is in continuation to the previous video, which is about solving model question paper of CMA Foundation, June 2025 of Business Mathematics and Statistics, Set 1. This is part 2. Question number 9. In a group of 50 people, 30 speak Hindi, 22 speak English, and 8 speak neither Hindi nor English. How many people can speak both English and Hindi? We'll create one Venn diagram for this. So this circle, we will consider it as Hindi. This circle, we'll consider it as English. Question is to find out how many people can speak both English and Hindi. That means we want this intersection area, which we don't know. We'll consider it as X. Now, the question says that out of those 50 people, 8 speak neither Hindi nor English. Means we will consider the universal set as somebody who can speak either of the language, which means we will consider this as 50 minus 8. So it becomes 42. Means the universal will have only 42 people. So now Hindi, they say 30 people speak. So 30 minus X. English, 22 minus X. So this 30 minus X plus X and plus 22 minus X should be equal to 42. Let us do that. 30 minus X plus 22 minus X should be equal to 42. Minus X plus X gets cancelled. Here you have 52 minus X equal to 42, which means X is 10. Means 10 people speak both English and Hindi. That is what will be the solution. It is our option A. Question number 10. If logarithm of t plus logarithm of t minus 3 equal to 1, find the value of t. Here, none of the options are correct actually because there is a logarithm of t in it, which means this t cannot take any non-positive value, whereas the options are first three are negative, last one is 0. So the options itself is wrong, but we will solve this question. So here it is like log A plus log B, which is nothing but log AB. So t into t minus 3. And log 1 means we can consider that as logarithm of 10 because log 10 to the base 10 is 1. So that means we can now equate t times t minus 3 is 10. So which can be simplified as t square minus 3t minus 10 equal to 0. So now we can split that negative 3 as minus 5t plus 2t minus 10 equal to 0, which means t times t minus 5 plus 2 times t minus 5 equal to 0, which means t minus 5 times t plus 2 equal to 0. That means t is 5 or negative 2. But this is not applicable because negative number, logarithm for a negative number is undefined. So our t value should be 5 only, which is not in this option. Probably the options does not cover this particular thing. Let us move on to the next one. How many words can be formed by using the letters of the word Allahabad so that the vowels will occupy even places? I will shift this to the next page. So, Allahabad. So, A, L, L, A, H, A, B, A, D. So it is, you can say 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. It's a 9-letter word. Even places are these places. Second position, fourth position, sixth position, and eighth position. And the vowels in this word are A, again A, again A, again A. Means A is getting repeated 4 times. There are no other vowels in this. So, number of permutations for vowels will be 4 factorial divided by, since it is repeating 4 times, it is 4 factorial. So, you get 1. Only one permutation is possible. And then the consonants are L, L, H, B, and D. So, number of permutations for consonants will be, there are 5 letters, so 5 factorial, and L is getting repeated once, means 2 times it is occurring, so 2 factorial. So this we will get 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial. This and this gets cancelled. 5 fours are 20, 20 into 3, 60. So therefore, the total number of permutations will be, sorry, therefore, number of permutations, means the total number of permutations will be 1 multiplied by 60. So it will be 60 ways. That is the solution for this. Let us move on to the next one. Solve logarithm of 8y plus 3 to the base 10 equal to 3. So we can express the logarithmic expression in the form of exponential expression. Means this is logarithmic expression. This can be written as 10, which is the base, to the power of 3 is nothing but 8y plus 3. Means we get 1000 and bring that 3 to the left hand side, we get 8y, which means 997 is 8y, or y is 997 by 8. That will be the solution for this. Let us move on to the next question. If set B equal to B, G, R, E, O, K is a subset of set so and so, means when this is subset of this, we are assuming this as the universal set. They are asking us to find the complement of B. Let me shift this to the next page. So we need to write those elements which are not elements of B, but it can be elements of A. Q we can write, then E we cannot write because it is there in B, R we cannot write, T we can write, and then Y we can write, U we can write, I we can write, O we cannot write, P we can write, K we cannot write, G we cannot write, and B we cannot write. So that will be the solution. Means option A is the right option. Next question. Find the number of permutations that can be made by selecting 5 bikes from a set of 11 bikes. So it is a straightforward question. We have to find out 11p5, which is 11 factorial divided by 11 minus 5, the factorial. and that will be 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into denominator is actually 6 factorial. So we will stop here with 6 factorial so that we can cancel this and this. Now if we multiply this, we will get 55440, which is our option C. Let us move on to the next question. Find the base when 3 is the logarithm of 729. Means we need to find out logarithm of 729 to some base is 3. That means we can write it exponential expression as x cube is equal to 729. 729 can be written as 9 cube. So that means our x value will be 9. So that is the solution. Further questions we will see in our next video.